Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these pistachio blondies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl which is microwavable, then place in your white chocolate chips and the butter, then microwave these on a low heat to start with, working up to a medium heat just until the mixture is melted. Once it's melted, you can then give it a good whisk together, and this will just help to bring it together that bit more. Add in your sugar and whisk until fully incorporated. The mixture will change in consistency. This is completely normal, so don't worry. Then you can go ahead and add in your eggs and whisk these all in until they are fully incorporated. The consistency will change again, and this is completely normal. It will become a lot smoother and glossier. Then you can go ahead and add in your extract. So I'm using vanilla and almond, but feel free to skip the almond if you don't want to use it. It just makes it taste that bit better. Add in the pistachio paste and then mix until fully incorporated. I don't know what these little specks are. They're just pistachio bits that didn't fully work in. Then add in your dry ingredients and fold these in until they are fully incorporated, being careful not to over mix the mixture at this point. It's also a good time to add in the chocolate chips and the pistachio nuts which have been roughly chopped. You can then go ahead and transfer the Blondie batter into a lined baking tin which has been lined with some parchment paper. Spread and level out the batter as much as you need to. It's quite a liquid mix, so it should do that on its own very naturally, but just give it a little jiggle to get it all in place. This stage is optional, but I decided to top my blondies with some white chocolate spread that I had left from another recipe, so I thought why not use it up on this as it's already got a white chocolate base, and white chocolate and pistachio work very well, so I just placed dollops on top. As you can tell, I didn't really fairly distribute it, but don't worry, this doesn't really matter too much. Once you've got your dollops on, you can then take a butter knife and swirl it all around. And this is just a good way to incorporate it into the mixture, but also swirl it around so you get a pretty pattern. But you don't need to worry about the pattern too much, as we'll be topping it with some chopped pistachios anyway. I only wanted to start with a few, but then when I covered the top, I was like, actually, I like this a bit more. So here is what it looks like up close. You can then go ahead and bake this up in the oven. I will leave all that information in the blog post, which you can find linked down below. So once the blondies have been baked and are allowed to cool fully, you can then go ahead and slice them up into as many or as few pieces as you would like. I went with 8 very generous portions, but feel free to slice these in half as they are very rich and very decadent and you don't really need too much of it. But here's what it looks like up close. You've got that pistachio on top, the pistachio throughout with chopped and the paste form with white chocolate chips and the white chocolate spread. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and a link to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.